Have you ever wondered what the most dangerous animals in the world are? Well, wonder no more. We're about to embark on a thrilling journey, delving into the wild and unpredictable world of Earth's most perilous creatures. We'll be counting down the top 10 most dangerous animals, venturing into their habitats, examining their diets, and exploring the unique skills that make them such formidable forces in nature. Our countdown isn't just about size or sharp teeth. Oh no, we're looking at the real deal here. The number of human fatalities attributed to these creatures, their aggression levels, and either their venom potency or physical strength. Some of these animals might surprise you, and some might be exactly what you'd expect. But one thing's for sure, each one is a master of survival in its own right. Without further ado, let's begin our countdown with the 10th most dangerous animal on our planet. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is the Cape buffalo. This magnificent beast calls the wild grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa its home, where it grazes on a diet of, well, grass. But don't let that vegetarian lifestyle fool you. These bovines are no pushovers. They can charge at you with a speed of up to 35 miles per hour. That's faster than you can say, "I should have stayed at home today." But what really puts the Cape buffalo on our list is its reputation as the Widowmaker. This moniker wasn't earned from a fondness for knitting, no. It's because these creatures are responsible for killing more hunters on the African continent than any other creature. So, if you're planning a safari, better keep a safe distance. These bovines certainly pack a punch, but our next creature might just have them beat. Slithering into the 9th spot is the seemingly harmless cone snail. Now don't let this small creature's innocent appearance fool you. This tiny terror calls the warm and tropical seas its home, a perfect backdrop for its deadly nature. The cone snail, much like a stealthy underwater assassin, silently stalks its prey, which is usually small fish. But what makes this snail particularly lethal is its venomous harpoon-like tooth. Imagine a toothpick, but instead of picking food from your teeth, it delivers a deadly cocktail of toxins. Surprisingly, this little gastropod's venom is so potent that a single drop could put an end to 20 humans. That's right, 20. It might be hard to believe that such a small creature could possess such a lethal weapon. But in the animal kingdom, it's often the smallest ones you need to watch out for. Don't let their small size fool you. These snails are deadly, but they're not as deadly as our next contender. Hopping into our 8th spot is none other than the golden poison dart frog. These vibrant little critters call the Colombian rainforest home. But don't let their small size and bright colors fool you. They carry a deadly secret in their skin. Their diet primarily consists of ants and beetles, and it's these unsuspecting meals that provide them with their toxic capabilities. You see, when they consume these creatures, they store a potent toxin in their skin, one that's powerful enough to deter most predators. But just how toxic is it? Well, consider this. The poison from a single golden poison dart frog can kill up to 20,000 mice. That's enough to make anyone think twice before picking one up. As for their friendliness towards humans, let's just say, they're not the cuddly type. Despite their small stature and innocent appearance, these little frogs pack a lethal punch. But our next creature is even more deadly. Swimming into our 7th spot is the box jellyfish. Now don't be fooled by its unassuming appearance, folks. These seemingly delicate creatures, often found in the warm waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, are not as gentle as they look. With a diet consisting of small fish and shrimp, they're not exactly the big eaters in the marine world. But where they lack in size, they make up for in lethal prowess. Their tentacles are armed with venomous stingers, capable of delivering a sting so potent that it can cause heart failure in humans. Yes, you heard that right. It's not the heartbreak, but a jellyfish sting that can stop your heart. So, next time you're out for a swim, remember not all jellies are meant to be spread on toast. They might look like harmless blobs, but these jellies are anything but, yet they're still not our deadliest creature. Stomping into our 6th spot is the African elephant. This behemoth, the largest land animal on Earth, calls the expansive grasslands and dense forests of sub-Saharan Africa home. With a diet as large as their presence, African elephants consume copious amounts of roots, grasses, and fruits daily to sustain their substantial size. Their sheer strength and size are awe-inspiring, a testament to the wonders of nature. Yet their colossal stature isn't without consequence. Surprisingly, it's not the lion, the crocodile, or the hippo, but the African elephant that holds the record for causing more deaths in Africa than any other large animal. Yes, you heard it right, an elephant. It's a stark reminder that even the most majestic creatures can pose a threat when they feel threatened or their territory is invaded. These gentle giants are not to be trifled with. But our next creature is even more fearsome. Slipping into our fifth spot is the saltwater crocodile. These formidable creatures are the reigning champions in the reptile world, holding the title as the largest living reptile on our planet. With an average length of 17 feet, these giants lurk in the mangrove swamps and estuaries of the Indo-Pacific region. Their diet is as vast as their territory, encompassing anything from fish to mammals that dare to cross their path. But what makes them truly terrifying isn't their size or appetite, but their incredibly powerful jaws, capable of exerting the strongest bite force in the animal kingdom. While they may not be the most cuddly of creatures, saltwater crocodiles play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Yet, they're known to attack and kill humans who unknowingly venture into their territory. So next time you're planning a swim in the Indo-Pacific, you might want to think twice. These prehistoric predators are truly terrifying, but our next creature is even more lethal. Buzzing into our fourth spot is the Africanized honeybee. These bees, also known as killer bees, have a notorious reputation, and for good reason. Native to South America, these feisty insects have made their way up north, establishing colonies across the Americas. Their diet is pretty tame compared to their disposition, comprising mainly of nectar and pollen. However, what sets them apart is their overly defensive nature and aggressive behavior. Disturb a hive and you'll find yourself chased by a swarm for up to a quarter of a mile. Now that's a cardio workout no one asked for. And their sting, it's not just about the immediate pain. The venom injected can cause severe allergic reactions in some individuals, proving fatal in certain cases. In fact, these bees have been responsible for up to 1,000 human deaths. These bees are not to be messed with. But our next creature is even more deadly. Flying into our third spot is the mosquito. This minuscule menace can be found in virtually every corner of the globe, from the steamy jungles of the Amazon to the chilly climes of Siberia. Their habitat is as diverse as their infamous diet. They sip on the lifeblood of various creatures, including us humans. Despite their small size, these creatures have a superpower that's nothing short of deadly. They are carriers of numerous diseases, including malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus. With a single bite, they can transmit these diseases, causing devastating health impacts and, in many cases, death. The mosquito's impact is so significant that it's responsible for more human deaths each year than any other animal. That's right, this tiny insect, often no bigger than a grain of rice, is the deadliest creature on Earth. But don't let their small stature fool you. They may be small, but their bite is mighty. These tiny pests are the deadliest creatures on Earth, but two more animals still top them on our list. Slithering into our second spot is the Asian cobra. Found across diverse habitats in Asia, from jungles to urban settlements, these reptiles have adapted to thrive in varied environments. Their diet primarily consists of rodents and birds, making them a crucial part of the ecosystem by controlling the populations of these smaller creatures. But what makes these creatures truly dangerous is their venomous bite. The Asian cobra is known for its neurotoxic venom, a potent cocktail that can cause paralysis, respiratory failure, and, in severe cases, death. And while they'd rather avoid human interaction, when threatened, they won't hesitate to strike. It's this defensive nature that sadly led to them being responsible for the largest number of human deaths by snakebite globally. However, it's important to remember they don't seek conflict. They're just trying to survive in an increasingly encroached upon habitat. These snakes are truly terrifying, but one more creature still tops our list. And finally, the most dangerous animal on our planet is the human. Humans are a global species inhabiting nearly every corner of the Earth, from the chilliest Arctic tundra to the hottest desert. With a diet as diverse as their habitats, humans consume a wide array of foods, from plants and animals to processed and artificial foods. But what makes humans so dangerous? Their capacity for destruction is unparalleled. From wars that claim countless lives to environmental destruction that endangers entire ecosystems, humans have a profound and often negative impact on our world. In fact, it's a chilling statistic that humans are responsible for more human deaths than any other animal. Whether through direct violence or indirect actions such as pollution and habitat destruction, our species has earned a questionable top spot on this list. So there you have it, the top 10 most dangerous animals on our planet. Stay safe out there.